Hello friends, welcome to Civil Engineering exam. Today we are going to see MCQs related with soil mechanics. Mechanical stabilization of soil is done with the help of option A cement, option B lime, option C bitumen, option D proper grading. The correct answer is option D proper grading. Lime stabilization is effective in treating option A sandy soil, option B silty soil, option C non-plastic soil, option D plastic clayey soil. The correct answer is option D plastic clayey soil. Undistributed samples are obtained by option A direct excavations, option B thick walled sampler, option C thin walled sampler, option D augers. The correct answer is option C thin walled sampler. A plate load test is useful to estimate option A settlement of foundation, option B bearing capacity of foundation, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both A and B. The largest value of stability is option A 0.261, option B 0.5, option C 1.0, option D 2.0. The correct answer is option A 0.261. A shallow foundation is defined as the foundation which option A is resting on the ground surface, option B has a depth less than its width, option C has low bearing capacity, option D causes less settlement. The correct answer is option B has a depth less than its width. A soil having particles nearly the same size is known as option A well graded, option B poorly graded, option C gap graded, option D uniformly graded. The correct answer is option D uniformly graded. The unit weight of a soil at zero air voids depends on option A specific gravity, option B weight content, option C unit weight of water, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. For sand of uniform spherical particles, the ratio of voids ratio in the loosest and densest state is option A 2.6, option B 3.0, option C 4.6, option D 3.5. The correct answer is option A 2.6. The most susceptible to liquefaction are option A saturated dense sand, option B saturated fine and medium sand of uniform particle size, option C saturated clays of uniform size, option D saturated gravel and cobbles. The correct answer is option B saturated fine and medium sand of uniform particle size. The value of bearing capacity factor for cohesion NC for piles are as per Meyerhof is taken as option A 9.0, option B 5.14, option C 6.2, option D 5.17. The correct answer is option A 9.0. Degree of freedom of a block type machine foundation is option A 1, option B 3, option C 5, option D 6. The correct answer is option D 6. The natural frequency of a vibrating foundation system, option A increase as a square root of spring stiffness, option B decrease as the square root of spring stiffness, option C increase as a square root of mass of the body, option D increase as the square root of mass of the body. The correct answer is option A and D, increase as the square root of spring stiffness and decrease as the square root of mass of the body.